It's a whole tree of bats. Like, pretty scary. The whole thing. Holy cow. That's pretty scary. Like it's a giant. Boom goes the dynamite. Okay, fly more, fly.
Now we need to take the monkey and put him in this tree too.
Yeah.
What are they doing with their wings? Are they like banding them?
I think that's pretty good. For the end of the movie,
Big bats, real big. Oh. Meow.
Whoa, that thing could eat you. I gotta get some pictures of him. This is like typical Batman. You know, they did really well on the Batman sign. That looks just like him.
How's the lighting? Oh, very good.
It's
oh,
great.
Whoa, whoa. Hey, what are you doing there, big guy? Oh, yeah.
What's up?
Look at this guy, just fanning for money.
this is great.
What do you got to say, Other Morgan? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Loon. Ooh, sok sa bay. Yeah, sok sa bay to hold. Yeah. And the big guy. Yeah. Okay.
Stone cold.
Just the contrast of the bike tire and then the computer. Wow. Ba năm anh kia